Anybody not ready? Why don't we back? Oh yeah, sure, yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, so welcome to our mixed 20s Partnered Charleston and Shag workshop. We've just done 3 hours of Charleston and Shag, so yes, forgive us. So we started off by trying to find this little box of frame between us, and I'm just going to start thinking about shifting my weight from foot to foot using my hips.
And we also practice walking forwards and backwards through each other once we figured out what foot we were on.
Which I didn't just do, just
Yeah.
So now I know you're on the correct foot, you can confidently walk towards me without us kicking each other. And we got into closed holds, which is like this. This has this tiny bit of compression there, a bit of a squeeze on the back. So I know Nora, you're going to come with me, and I'm just going to think about walking through you.
Some footwork.
And yeah, so my basic footwork went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm actually travelling with this. Posture is bum slightly out, back straight, shoulders back, head up, 5, 6, 7. Trying to get a bit of a bounce going as well if we can. Then we have these optional extras. Did walks as well. And repeats it. So I'm going to go. I'm just keeping that connection up and just shifting my weight forwards and backwards and not actually really moving. Because if I don't travel, you're not going to have anything to follow. Tuck turn, so we basically on front. I'm going to twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More footwork.
I've got some helpful footwork. Left, right, left. So there's 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, left, right, left.
Start from your ankle. 1, 2, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm going to go twist, boing. And then we did an elbow catch. So the numbers that are going to go compress, boing, stretch, boing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press, boing, stretch, boing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think that was all the Charleston. So class number 2, Shag. We looked at the a couple of footworks, which are going to go this angle. It's going to go step, step, run, run, step, lift, step, lift, run, run, step, tap, step, tap, step, kick, step, kick. Mix these up, just make it a bit musical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Option number 2. 5, 6, 4, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 6, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try mixing that in closed. So our posture now is slightly different. The Charleston bums are out a lot more. We've got an A-frame of connection here. Looking over each other ever so slightly. So we're not going to headbutt each other at any point. I'm going to take a big scoop to my left when I start off, and I'll push you onto your right foot.
That's also really helpful anytime we get out of sync. The leaders can scoot to the left to bring the followers back onto that right foot so we can start again.
So I'm going to 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, scoop. And that scoop just sets us back off our basics again. Then we did tuck turn again. So we've got out, connect, run, run. So discovered that the run, run was the action beat. So you're connecting a little bit out on your first step. Second step, I've got compression. And run, run is your time to go on the archery.
We can disconnect and just round the clock.
Using whatever. Scoop back to a basic whenever you're back together again. Then we get pass-bys when we're in open. We've got connect, run, run, connect, run, run, connect, run, run, connect, run, run. get this little stretch, I'm taking a tiny little hop backwards. My second slow, that gets me a really big stretch, ready to boing past each other. And then we got back together and did shag rocks, which went, we got back together and just did basics in this position. So I'm going to go boom, 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 run, boom, run, run, with any variation. And then we looked at doing these, which is a bit like a kick the dog for shag dancers. So I've got a real stretch away, really straightening that arm, and then I'm twisting you out away from it as we do that, and kicking in, etc. And then any multiple run runs, which are from, it's like a pendulum from the hip to do the run runs, rather than just using your shoulders. So that's a bit horrible.
I discovered that actually really twisting the hips for the leaders helped the followers feel what was going on.
Yeah, so we've got. So that is good. Anytime you want to get back to your basics. I think that's about it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.